So here in Chattanooga, we sit on around 71 acres total across the site.
The site was built in 1956, and then Grace bought it in 1965. And from there, it's grown to become an integral part of the North American manufacturing network.
All right, so you ready? We have three main processes: our Rainy process, our DeSox plant, and then we also have our rare earth processing plant. So we actually produce the material here and it is sent out to other Grace locations.
This is Rainy Catalyst. Rainy Catalyst is a hydrogenation catalyst.
So it is producing hydrogen.
Because of that, we go into a lot of different industries. Rainy is known to make nylon. It also goes into making artificial sweeteners such as sorbitol. And then the sorbitol ends up in your chewing gum or your mouthwash. So there's all different purposes for Rainy Catalyst. And we are the only manufacturing company of that in the world.
We have approximately 85 employees.
We have chemical operators, we have maintenance mechanics, engineers, shift supervisors that are supervising their daily work. We have environmental health and safety specialists ensuring everyone's doing the job safely, quality assurance technicians, logistics personnel, and all sorts of others that make this process work. We kind of feel like a family. We all take care of each other and watch out for each other. It's a good place to be. We believe here at Grace in working safely or not working at all.
The most important thing is that our employees go home safe every day.
Every employee has the ability to stop work at any point in time using their stop work authority.
From a safety standpoint, that communication is important. Communicating issues, concerns digitally basically kind of creates a record, and then we can drive actions on that. So Chattanooga is the test site for digital transformation journey and utilizing digital transformation. So we rolled out use of what we call a single pane of glass, which is really trying to tie all of our working systems together in one place so it's visible for everybody. So we've deployed iPads to all the operations in the field to try to really help them do their job better. So obviously with that, there's a lot of change. But we are proud to kind of be the test site and have the opportunity to show the benefits of digital manufacturing. My favorite part of my job, there are a lot of little things that I really enjoy. The people that I work with, I really enjoy when I get to see them succeed, when I get to see them solve a problem, when I get to see them grow.
I'm working in the lab, which is a quality piece of it. The biggest role that we serve is making sure that every piece of material that we send out the door is a high quality product. We test that product to ensure that it meets all of our standards before it leaves, which is essential for making sure that Grace remains a top leader in the chemical industry.
The way that I'm wired is I like to do puzzles. It's kind of a passion of mine, and I look at the processes and I look at the plant. When we can make an improvement, those are things that I absolutely love.